Today's video is all about paper. For some months now, VDA Telconet has chosen to engage more deeply in the reduction of paper use, which now, thanks to the alternatives offered by digital, is increasingly easy and possible to replace with more efficient, flexible and sustainable tools. Our first step in this direction has been small but decisive. Our business card. You might ask, what's the matter with an 85 by 55 millimeters business card? Therefore, I have a further question to ask. Do you have an idea how many business cards are produced each year for our participation in trade fairs? The answer is about 3,000 business cards. Let's do some math. We multiply those millimeters by 3,000 units and get 255 meters of paper just to distribute our contact data to potential customers and partners. An A4 sheet of paper measures an average of 30 centimeters. So from 255 meters of paper, we get about 850 sheets, which is a little more than a ream of paper. To produce a single ream of paper, you need about 1% of a tree. But from an entire pine, you get 159 reams of paper. Considering the reams of paper used each year and multiplying that number by 60 years of activity, we understand that our impact is not limited only to that 1% of a tree intended for our 3,000 business cards. But the other uses I want to talk about in another episode. Because now I want to dwell a little more on the advantages that the sustainable alternative to business card offers. The digital business card is the turning point not only in terms of paper savings, but also in terms of convenience in the distribution of our information. You can think of it as a mini site with all our contact details, where a simple gesture of scanning the QR code is enough to access our data. This means that there are no more limits to the information that we might want to include. Websites, modules, social media. What used to be constrained within those 85 by 55 millimeters now becomes unlimited and can be constantly updated, even over a period of time. What other word could describe this process if not the word sustainability? For the planet, for people, for the economy. If you suspect that QR codes are difficult and uncomfortable to use, I invite you to reflect on the power of the tool you have in your hand every day. And yes, I know you are probably holding your phone right now. Smartphones ensure scanning through its own camera in most cases, or alternatively through downloadable applications within a single minute. I mean, there's really no excuse. The change starts from our smallest habits and the mentality with which we want to approach the small choices of everyday life. What choice will you make today? See you in the next video!